Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Are you a trader trading in Bank Nifty futures? Worried about the key levels to watch out for? Here's the Bank Nifty levels. Bank Nifty futures for weekly expiry for a profitable trade. Bank Nifty, after testing the lows of 44,900, yesterday held on to the supports of 45,000 and bounced back to the levels of 45,500, making a insider candle to close around 45,500 zones. As per the derivatives data, Bank Nifty yesterday's close was around 45,732 and major resistance now placed at 45,772, followed by 45,830 and followed by 45,920. Major supports placed at 45,410, followed by 44,987, followed by 44,570. The India VIX has cooled down around 15.81. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.